Hello and welcome to today's video on passive income ideas for beginners in 2023. With the rising cost of living and the desire for financial freedom, many people are turning to passive income as a way to supplement their income and achieve their financial goals. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the best passive income ideas for beginners in 2023. If you're new to the world of passive income, the good news is that there are plenty of opportunities available to get started. In this article, we'll discuss some of the best passive income ideas for beginners in 2023. These ideas are perfect for those who are looking for ways to supplement their income without having to spend a lot of time or money upfront. Rental properties. Investing in rental properties is a classic way to generate passive income. The idea is to purchase a property, rent it out, and collect rent payments every month. This can be a great option for beginners because there are many different types of rental properties available, ranging from single-family homes to apartments and condos. However, investing in rental properties does require a significant upfront investment. You will need to have a down payment for the property, as well as money to cover any repairs or upgrades that need to be made. Additionally, you will need to be prepared to manage the property or hire a property management company to do so on your behalf. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are another popular way to generate passive income. When you invest in a dividend stock, you receive a portion of the company's profits in the form of regular dividend payments. This can be a great option for beginners because it requires little upfront investment and can be easily managed through a brokerage account. However, it's important to do your research before investing in dividend stocks. You will want to look for companies with a long history of paying dividends and a stable financial outlook. Additionally, you will want to make sure that you're investing in a diverse range of stocks to minimize your risk. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for regular interest payments. This can be a great option for beginners because it requires little upfront investment and can be easily managed through an online platform. However, it's important to understand the risks involved with peer-to-peer lending. There's always the possibility that borrowers may default on their loans, which could result in a loss of your investment. Additionally, you will want to make sure that you're lending money through a reputable platform and that you're diversifying your investments to minimize your risk. Rental business. Starting a rental business is another great way to generate passive income. This can be a great option for beginners because it requires little upfront investment and can be easily managed through a website or online platform. However, you will need to do your research to make sure that you're renting out items that are in high demand and that you're pricing your rentals appropriately. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to generate passive income online. Essentially, you promote products or services on your website or social media channels and earn a commission for each sale that you refer. This can be a great option for beginners because it requires little upfront investment and can be easily managed through an affiliate marketing network like Chorizo or Commission Junction. However, it's important to understand that affiliate marketing requires a lot of time and effort upfront. You will need to build a following on your website or social media channels, create engaging content that promotes your affiliate products, and continually monitor your performance to optimize your strategy. Create an online course. Creating an online course is a great way to generate passive income while sharing your expertise with others. Whether you're an expert in cooking, photography, or programming, there's likely an audience out there that's willing to pay for your knowledge. Creating an online course does require some upfront investment of time and resources, but it can be a great option for beginners who have a particular skill or area of expertise that they want to share. You can create a course using platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable, which provide a user-friendly interface for creating and promoting your course. When creating your course, it's important to do your research and identify a topic that has high demand and low competition. You will also want to create engaging and interactive content that provides value to your students. Once you've created your course, you can continue to earn passive income as students enroll and pay for access to your content. Create and sell digital products. Another option for generating passive income is to create and sell digital products like ebooks, printables, or stock photos. This can be a great option for beginners because it requires little upfront investment and can be easily promoted through online platforms like Etsy or Shopify. To be successful in creating and selling digital products, it's important to identify a niche that has high demand and low competition. You will also want to create high-quality products that provide value to your customers. As you continue to promote your products and build a following, you can earn passive income as customers purchase and download your digital products. That's it for today's video on passive income ideas for beginners in 2023. We hope that you found these ideas helpful and informative. Remember, creating passive income streams takes time, effort, and sometimes upfront investment. But with persistence and dedication, it can lead to financial freedom and a better quality of life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal finance and entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching.